back.
Right, I'm recording.
Fall back. Wait, I gonna do it. Okay. Now what I gonna do? Drop my weapon, drop everything, I'll run all naked.
You'll die.
I think there's a reason behind that.
Who's
Yeah.
this out here? There's a zombie coming in. Is that you, Ricky?
Somebody next.
Come on!
We got it! We got it!
Oh my god.
Right, Coconut, I'm gonna nick your stuff.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Here, maybe I can save him.
Yeah. Oh, he's got an EpiPen.
Does he have a pulse?
I can't check it. It won't let me check it.
Check pulse. No pulse. He's warm to the touch. He's dead.
Yeah.
Okay, respawning.
Zombie! I heard a zombie! Zombie! Zombie!
Right here. Right here.
Oh, geez.
Watch it.
Run. I don't want to swing around everybody.
Yeah.
That was
Alright, here
awesome.
we go.
That was really awesome.
Bruh.
Evan,
Yeah.
could you able to send me that
Fucking
one?
bitch hit me.
Yeah, I'll try. Yeah, I'll see if I can send another one behind you, Derek.
Ah, shit.
Everyone spread out.
Really epic. That was epic. I just
Right.
heard boom and I'm dead.
It's probably the explosion attracted him.
What? Somebody just fucking hit me.
Right, someone's bleeding. I think it's Bob. Bob, you're bleeding.
Okay, I'm close to... Oh, I'm actually spawned really close to Solnichny, I guess.
First aid kit, is there anything in there? Nope.
Uh,
The
Bandages.
EpiPen, can we wake him up with that?
yeah,
Right.
it's
He's already
Solnichny.
spawned out, though. So.
Yeah, I'm close to Solnichny.
You can keep committing suicide until you get spawned in Electro.
Yeah.
No, that's true. Okay, I have to meet zombies.
I don't know what to take for him.
All of it.
All of
I
it.
can't. Won't let me take any of it.
No,
Except for M4, don't take M4. Maybe just take a red dot sight.
I'm just taking his ammo.
well, I was gonna,
I can take his jacket and then
right, well, where's his M4? Oh, it's there. Right. Take that backpack off there. Right. If we can.
Ricky, I will be. You can
Right.
take all M4 rounds and
Right.
keep it for
No,
you.
I'm gonna use your scope
I
just
mean,
for now.
not M4, but Mosin rounds.
Right. Just let me take his backpack away from there. Coconut, when you do that next time, make sure you spread them out for us. Right, can you get to his rifle? Well, let me just have his...
here.
No.
I'll take his rifle up. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
I got your jacket.
Well.
I'll just give it to you, and I'll find something later.
No. That's mine.
What I have to do, I just have to meet some zombies.